Welcome to Irreechaa, celebrating Oromo culture and spirituality. A celebration of Thanksgiving. Irreechaa is a significant cultural and religious festival celebrated by the Oromo people, the largest nation in the Horn of Africa. It is a vibrant expression of their identity, spirituality, and deep connection to nature. This joyous festival is a time for thanksgiving, renewal, and fostering unity within the community. Irreechaa is celebrated twice a year, at the beginning of the spring and autumn seasons. The spring Irreechaa, known as Irreechaa, marks the end of the rainy season and the beginning of a new agricultural cycle. It is a time to give thanks for the rains, the fertile land, and the blessings of a new season. The autumn Irreechaa, known as Irreechaa, is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. It is a time to give thanks for the bounty of the harvest and to pray for continued prosperity in the coming year. Irreechaa is more than just a festival. It is a profound expression of Oromo identity and spirituality. It is a time to connect with nature, to honor their ancestors, and to celebrate their cultural heritage. The festival is a vibrant tapestry of ancient traditions, rituals, and symbolism that have been passed down through generations. Through Irreechaa, the Oromo people affirm their deep-rooted connection to their land, their culture, and their spirituality. It is a testament to their resilience and their enduring spirit, which has allowed them to preserve their traditions and identity for centuries. Waaqeffannaa and the sacredness of nature. At the heart of Irreechaa lies Waaqeffannaa, the indigenous religion of the Oromo people. Waaqeffannaa is a monotheistic belief system that centers around the worship of Waaqaa, the one God. Waaqaa is believed to be the creator of all things and is revered as the source of life, abundance, and blessings. Central to Waaqeffannaa is the deep respect and reverence for nature. The Oromo people believe that Waaqaa manifests himself through nature, and therefore nature is considered sacred. The trees, rivers, mountains, and all living creatures are seen as expressions of Waaqaa's power and presence. Irreechaa is a manifestation of this deep-rooted connection to nature. It is a time when the Oromo people gather to express their gratitude to Waaqaa for the blessings of nature. They offer prayers of thanksgiving for the rain, the sun, the fertile land, and all the gifts that sustain life. The festival is a celebration of the interconnectedness between humanity and the natural world. It is a reminder that humans are not separate from nature, but are an integral part of the delicate balance of life. Through Irreechaa, the Oromo people reaffirm their commitment to living in harmony with nature and preserving it for future generations. Cleansing, renewal, and gratitude. Water holds profound significance in the Irreechaa festival, symbolizing cleansing, renewal, and gratitude. It is seen as a sacred element that connects all living beings and represents the lifeblood of the earth. The Oromo people believe that water has the power to purify, heal, and renew both physically and spiritually. During Irreechaa, participants gather near sacred rivers, lakes, or springs. Water is also seen as a symbol of gratitude for the rains that nourish the land and bring forth life. The Oromo people, deeply connected to agriculture, understand the vital role water plays in their livelihoods. Through Irreechaa, they express their appreciation for the rains that sustain their crops, their livestock, and their communities. The significance of water in Irreechaa extends beyond its physical properties. It represents the flow of life, the ebb and flow of time, and the interconnectedness of all things. It is a reminder that just as water sustains life, so too does gratitude, respect, and harmony with nature. Symbols of strength, resilience, and divine presence. Mountains hold a place of reverence in Oromo culture and spirituality. They are seen as symbols of strength, resilience, and the enduring presence of Waaqaa. The Oromo people believe that mountains are sacred spaces where the divine and the earthly realms intersect. During Irreechaa, mountains often serve as the backdrop for the festivities. The choice of location is significant, as it reinforces the connection between the Oromo people, their spirituality, and the natural world. The towering presence of mountains serves as a reminder of the strength and resilience of the Oromo people, who have faced numerous challenges throughout their history. The symbolism of mountains in Irreechaa is multifaceted. They represent the enduring spirit of the Oromo people, their deep connection to their ancestral lands, and the presence of the divine in their lives. Mountains stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, reminding the Oromo people of their history, their resilience, and their enduring faith. a symbol of prosperity, fertility, and harmony. Green grass holds deep symbolic meaning in Irreechaa, representing prosperity, fertility, and harmony. The vibrant green color is associated with new life, growth, and abundance. For the Oromo people, who have a strong agricultural tradition, green grass represents the fertility of the land and the promise of a bountiful harvest. During Irreechaa, participants adorn themselves and their surroundings with green grass. They hold garlands of fresh grass, symbolizing their connection to nature and their hope for a prosperous future. The air is filled with the scent of freshly cut grass, creating an atmosphere of celebration and renewal. Green grass is also seen as a symbol of harmony and peace. It represents the balance and interconnectedness of all living things. Just as green grass provides sustenance for livestock and enriches the soil, so too does harmony and cooperation within the community bring about prosperity and well-being. The symbolism of green grass in Irreechaa is a reminder of the importance of living in balance with nature and with each other. It is a celebration of the life-giving forces of the earth and the hope for a future filled with abundance, harmony, and prosperity. The Irreechaa festival is a vibrant tapestry of tradition, weaving together the rich cultural heritage of the Oromo people. Each year, thousands gather to celebrate the end of the rainy season and the beginning of the harvest. The festival is marked by colorful attire, traditional music and dance, all symbolizing gratitude and hope. It is a time for the community to come together, to honor their ancestors, and to look forward to the future with renewed spirit and resilience. The joyous atmosphere is palpable as participants share in the collective celebration of life and culture. Irreechaa is not just a festival, it is a profound expression of identity and unity for the Oromo people. Unity, identity, and continuity. The cultural significance of Irreechaa: unity, identity, and continuity. Irreechaa is more than just a religious festival. It is a powerful expression of Oromo cultural identity and unity. It is a time when people from all walks of life come together to celebrate their shared heritage, their values, and their aspirations. The festival transcends religious and regional differences, uniting the Oromo people under a common banner of cultural pride and identity. Irreechaa plays a vital role in preserving Oromo cultural traditions and passing them on to future generations. The festival provides a platform for the transmission of cultural knowledge, from traditional songs and dances to oral histories and storytelling. Young people learn about their heritage, their values, and their place within the community through their participation in Irreechaa. The festival also serves as a reminder of the Oromo people's resilience and their ability to preserve their culture and identity in the face of adversity. Throughout their history, the Oromo people have faced numerous challenges, including political oppression and cultural assimilation. However, they have steadfastly held onto their traditions, their language, and their beliefs, with Irreechaa serving as a powerful symbol of their cultural continuity. In a world that is becoming increasingly globalized and homogenized, Irreechaa stands as a beacon of cultural diversity and a testament to the importance of preserving indigenous traditions. It is a celebration of the richness and beauty of Oromo culture and a reminder of the strength and resilience of the human spirit. Maintaining connections to heritage. Irreechaa in the diaspora, maintaining connections to heritage. As the Oromo diaspora continues to grow with communities established in various parts of the world, Irreechaa has taken on new meaning and significance. For Oromo, people living far from their homeland, the festival serves as a vital link to their cultural heritage, their identity, and their community. Irreechaa celebrations in the diaspora provide a space for Oromo people to come together, to share their culture with their children, and to connect with others who understand their experiences and their heritage. These celebrations often incorporate elements of both traditional Oromo culture and the cultures of their adopted countries, creating a unique blend of tradition and adaptation. The festival also serves as a platform for raising awareness about Oromo culture and identity within their adopted countries. Through Irreechaa celebrations, Oromo communities in the diaspora share their rich cultural heritage with their neighbors, fostering understanding and appreciation for their traditions. Irreechaa in the diaspora is a testament to the adaptability of Oromo culture and the enduring power of cultural identity. It is a reminder that even in a globalized world, cultural heritage can provide a sense of belonging, community, and continuity. Irreechaa's role in a changing world. Facing the future. Irreechaa's role in a changing world. As the world continues to change at an unprecedented pace, Irreechaa stands as a beacon of resilience, adaptability, and hope for the Oromo people. The festival provides a framework for navigating the challenges of the 21st century while remaining grounded in one's cultural values and traditions. Irreechaa's message of environmental consciousness is particularly relevant in today's world, where climate change and environmental degradation pose significant threats. The festival's emphasis on respecting and protecting nature serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of sustainable living. The festival's focus on unity and reconciliation is also crucial in a world often divided by conflict and intolerance. Irreechaa's message of peace, forgiveness, and coming together as a community offers a powerful antidote to the forces of division and polarization. As the Oromo people continue to navigate the complexities of the 21st century, Irreechaa will undoubtedly continue to evolve and adapt. However, its core values of gratitude, respect for nature, community, and cultural identity will remain as relevant and as important as ever. A testament to Oromo, resilience and cultural pride. Irreechaa stands as a testament to the resilience, cultural richness, and enduring spirit of the Oromo people. It is a celebration of their deep connection to nature, their ancestors, and their cultural heritage. The festival's message of gratitude, unity, and respect for the natural world resonates deeply within Oromo communities, both in their homeland and in the diaspora. Irreechaa is more than just a festival, it is a way of life. It is a reminder of the importance of living in harmony with nature, with each other, and with oneself. It is a celebration of the beauty of diversity, the strength of community, and the enduring power of cultural identity. As the Oromo people continue to face the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century, Irreechaa will undoubtedly continue to play a vital role in their lives, providing a source of strength, inspiration, and cultural continuity. Thank you for watching Irreechaa Celebrating Oromo Culture and Spirituality. Special thanks to all contributors and supporters. Irreechaa Celebrating Oromo Culture and Spirituality is produced and presented by BIRMADUU Media. Copyright 2024 BIRMADUU Media. Music Fiesta de la Vida.